It's been 365 days, and I still haven't looked at it. 1 year ago, I took a stump, drilled holes in it, poured all kinds of Epsom salt in, sealed with black plastic, and today we're gonna see if what I did worked. So here's a quick recap of everything that happened. If you didn't see the first video, here's exactly what I did. I drilled holes deep into here, the stump. I filled them with Epsom salt and then I soaked it. Well, and I wrapped it with this black plastic to block all the sunlight and trap all the moisture. Now, a lot of people, they have said it worked. They swear by it. Some people say that's a myth. So instead of checking every few weeks on this, I decided just to leave it. I did say at the beginning it was a year, but I can tell you right now, it's been a little longer. As you can see, the grass is green. So, to leave it alone, absolutely no peeking at all. And no checking, absolutely nothing till today. So I don't know, honestly, what I'm gonna see. In theory, of course, you know, they say the salt should have dried everything out and the plastic should have accelerated the decay. Some videos I've seen, it has done exactly that. So what has happened in a year's time? Who knows? We're gonna find out, right? So either way, this thing is completely dead or rotted out, or you think I just wasted 12 months or a little longer. All right, now it's time for the reveal. Now, the wind is a little windy out here. The wind is a little windy out here. The wind is blowing a little bit out here, so you can probably see the plastic moving around. Like I said, I can feel a little bit of decay, which is good. Now, I'm hoping when I open this up, we see exactly what I'm hoping to see, if it worked or not. So, let's go ahead and let's see what we see under this. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna try to keep my ugly mug out of this. Now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but you can see some around here. We actually drove over this. We didn't drive over this, thank God, but we did drive in the yard, and it has pushed the grass down a little bit. But regardless, everything is still intact. 1 year, well, a little over 1 year. We're just gonna assume it's 1 year. I tried to pull them out with my hands, wasn't happening, so here we go. Let's look and see. Oh boy, there's one steak. There's 2 steaks. There's 3 steaks. Seems they're in there pretty good. There's the 4th one. Let me move around here a little bit so I can see. There's the 5th one. And last but not least, here we go. Are you ready for this, guys? Get ready. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. You have got to be kidding me. All right, I'm gonna stay behind the camera. We're gonna look at this thing together. We're gonna talk about it, then I'm gonna go over there and we're gonna see what I think about it. So let's go over here and give it a hitting, and let's see if indeed any of this makes any sense. So let's give it an old hit test. It still seems very hard. Now, it still honestly seems alive. Now all this right here is just the old salt, and never, I guess, went in the holes. So it's pretty hard, as you can hear and see. I mean, it seems like it's still alive almost. I don't see any regrowth, and who knows how the roots are. So what is next for me on this? Because I want this out of here. So actually, it is a little rotten, I guess, in some spots. I could probably, well, let's see. I may have spoken a little too soon, but I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's pretty much hard as a rock. So here's the deal, you know. I tried to go this route, tried to go the natural route, I guess if you want to call it that, and I said to myself, this has got to be the best way. And, you know, honestly, from what I see down there, I don't know that it was the best way. Covering it with black plastic for over a year, it sat in the snow, the ice, and nothing. So do I think it was worth it? No, not at all. You know, I tried to do this, and it just, I guess it just didn't work. It is what it is, I guess. You know, I tried this way. So, you know, my opinion is it may work many years from now. You keep doing it, but I don't have that time. Actually I do, but I don't want to do that. So here's my alternative. Now, even though it's the way I'm going to do it, it probably isn't the most environmentally friendly way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it uncovered, and about midway through summer, I'm going to start putting little diesel fuel in there, and I'm going to let it soak all that diesel fuel up. And then I'm going to put a little bit more in there, and I'm gonna let it soak it up. And then put a little more in there, and then I'm gonna soak it up. And then, as a viewer, I don't remember who it was, has told me, that's the only way to get rid of it. Well, I think you're probably right. So then I'm gonna light it on fire, and I'm gonna let it smolder there and just burn away. So in my opinion, I don't know that I would ever try this again. You may find the Stump root killer may work better. I just tried the Epsom salt because I did see another YouTuber do it. Worked good for him. Maybe it was my tree. Maybe if it was a pine tree, maybe it would have been better. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. So definitely, in my opinion, I probably won't ever do this again. After 1 year, I thought for sure I would open it up and I would see, at the minimum, a big old gaping hole straight down through the bottom where I could hit it with a sledgehammer or whatever, you know, and just have it collapse on itself. But that is not the case. Now, obviously it did a little bit, right? But it just wasn't fast enough for me. So, you know, in my opinion, go another route. So, if you haven't seen that first video, click right up here in the card that's showing. You will see how I started all this over a year ago, actually. Technically, it's been over a year. But I let that plastic on for a year, and you see what happened. So, guys, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that thumbs up, turn the bell notification on, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.